Hi, today I'm going to talk about the basic cleaning function of this Roborock S5 Max vacuum and mopping robot. It's a vacuum and robot cleaning. Most of the instructions for how to do the basic maintenance and cleaning are inside this user manual, but I'll just show you how it is done. It's quite easy actually. You need to turn off the vacuum, robot vacuum. Then the first thing that you want to do is just flip this on. It's quite simple, and just take out this dust dustbin box. So take it out here and see. This is where the suction comes in. The vacuum suction comes in, and this deposits all the dirt here. Okay, this is roughly about twice. Just throw it away. It's quite a bit. It's amazing that since using this robot vacuum, I've seen that actually there's quite a lot of dust here, even on a even if I do a cleaning on a daily basis. So that's about two days of cleaning. I've done about almost every day to put it on vacuum. My house is a double-story terrace house, so it's about 1,800 square feet. So that you can get an estimation of how much dirt you can get in that side there. So that's clean. And the other thing that you can do on this cleaning, you see there's a filter there. You can actually remove this filter. You remove this filter and just wash it with water. Just put it under running water just to clear it up. It's clean. So that's quite easy. Another way is just knocking it out. Put it on the tap, but you need to leave it to dry completely before putting it back. If you wash it, I'm not washing it, so okay, just oops. Oh, I got it wrong. Yeah, it's quite easy to do. Once it's clean, fix it back. Once it's clean, just fix it back. And you can see here, they actually provide a brush. Okay, pull it up. So this is a brush. The brush is for cleaning the underside of this robot vacuum. So other than this, other than dustbin, what you get here is actually a lot of this tends to get tangled up, hair. The hair tends to get tangled up. If you see the brush, there's actually a blade there, so you can just cut through this. Moving. There's a lot of hair. If you have pets, so these are things that probably get you in. Tangle up. Been quite happy with this robot vacuum. It doesn't exactly do 100% of your work, but it does. I can guess it's a good friend to have to help you with the cleaning, because you can only vacuum those dirt on the floor. Can't actually reach out to the ceiling or under the doors to do those cleaning, but you can do those. Just leave it on the floor, and then the robot vacuum will just suck it up for you. So that side is up, okay, and then this side. This is quite easy. What you do is, there's two clips here. Press it a little bit inside. Just open it up, and you get the roller, and you can just, there's a lot of things there. There's even a rubber band there. It seems to have also broken up my brush. Okay, brand, hair and stuff. Okay, a brush, photos around here. get it off. Yeah, so get it off. Just taken off a bit. This roller brush is actually also sold as a spare part. You can actually order it as a spare part. It's this way. Okay, you see, these are the difficult parts, but actually it's not that difficult to clean. All you have to do is to unlock this. Let's see if I can remember how to unlock this. Oops, no, it's not here. Okay, that's it. Unlock that. You can just throw it away. Throw that away. So that's unlocked. Okay. Oops. Okay, then lock it back. It will just click in. Get it right, we'll just click in. It's quite easy. Same here. Same here. Oops. Oh. Okay, get all the way. You can get most of the things out here. So that's done. Okay. So that's most of the thing done. Didn't quite get it right. It's supposed to put it here. This thing in here. Click. Then on there. Put that thing in. That's it. There's a brush. Brush off some of the dirt from this brushes. Get it right again. And then put it back in. Slot there. Put in. Yeah, sorry. It's a square slot here. And that's it. So get it in. So let's clean this a bit. And then put this back in. Click on. Okay. Put this thing back on. That's it. Voila. That's how you clean up the Roborock S5 robot cleaner, S5 Max cleaner. Thanks for watching.